Welcome the new cordless micro drill from Liquid Resins. Unlike most micro drills, the Liquid Resins cordless drill has a momentary switch that benefits the user in a number of ways. The momentary switch allows the user to have better control when drilling, compared to drills that only have a set on and off function. This added control also provides longer bit life, and less chance of skating and ruining the glass. With over 30 years in the windshield repair industry and serving customers worldwide, Liquid Resins knows a thing or two about quality and innovation. Our patented injector with integrated vacuum pump was the first injector on the market to actually remove air in the brake prior to depositing resin. This injector is so economical that you can get up to 80 repairs out of a half-ounce bottle of resin. The savings in resin alone will pay for our injector many times over. So stop passing on jobs for fear of drilling. Restore your confidence with the new cordless micro drill from Liquid Resins.